Hello viewers, welcome to my channel All Things Spiritual. I hope you liked my last video on initiation. Today we will discuss meditation, its benefits, and if you watch till the end, you would know how it helped me after 15 years of practice. Also, please don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Meditation is a practice where an individual uses a technique such as mindfulness or focusing the mind on a particular object, thought, or activity to train attention and awareness and achieve a mentally clear and emotionally calm and stable state. Scholars have found meditation difficult to define as practices vary both between traditions and within them. Meditation has been practiced since 1500 BCE in numerous religions and traditions, often as a part of the path towards enlightenment and self-realization. There are a lot of benefits of meditation. It boosts the immune system and it generally calms down the mind. It helps you fight stress and it also helps in pain management. It can help us by distancing unpleasant things being put at some distance between you, the subject. Sometimes when you observe your thought processes, it helps you to think out of the box and improve focus for those who are studying. It can also help with people suffering from ADHD in the age of cell phones. So what would be the biggest benefit of meditation? I would say the biggest benefit is that it allows us to observe our thoughts. Whichever process of meditation we are doing, ultimately it will allow you to objectify and observe your thoughts and thereby gain little distance from your mind and thereby gain a degree of control over your mind and don't react in a knee-jerk fashion which we are used to. You become calmer and don't react immediately to annoying circumstances or difficult people, and thereby you become wiser and eventually more compassionate. What is the primary purpose of meditation? The primary purpose of meditation is for self-realization or enlightenment, as it is the stepping stone to enlightenment. Meditation itself is not enlightenment. So what about the benefits like calm mind? They are like perks on the way to enlightenment. You get them and they are good side effects. But the point is that the end of meditation is enlightenment or self-realization. How does meditation help us in enlightenment or self-realization? What it does is that meditation calms the mind down, which was going in many directions. For example, we anchor the mind to the breath and we breathe continuously. So it's something always available to us and it's rhythmic and continuous. So the mind can be anchored to it and the mind's tendency to wander is noticed even when we are anchored. In so many ways, the attention wanders from here to there. What meditation does is to calm down the wandering of the mind. In fact, the definition itself is the cessation of the modifications of the mind. By modifications of the mind, I mean that there are thoughts, ideas, emotions, desires, memories, intentions, and also judgments. Swami Vivekananda gives a fine example of a lake. When there are waves or the water is muddy, we cannot see straight through the water, but when the water is clear or there are no waves, one can see straight through to the bottom of the lake. Exactly in the same way, the waves of the mind are calmed down and the mind is clear. Then what is beyond the mind shines forth and you can see yourself as who you really are, as the witness consciousness, as the foundation of the mind, shining upon the mind as you realize that I am not the body, I am not the mind, I am this awareness shining through the mind, experiencing the body through the ever changing body mind, experiencing the world. That witness consciousness that we actually are illumines these changes that I am, so that is realized. At other times, what happens is that the waves in the lake of the mind that the witness consciousness gets identified with, so the mind is not stilled, and you, the witness consciousness, are mixed up with the mind. So, this is the philosophy of how meditation works. The idea is that if one persists long enough, it takes one deeper and deeper within oneself. A meditative approach is needed for every human who wants to live life peacefully in the world, for without it, you may just be entangled with the modifications of the mind, and this will make your life quite tough to live day by day. A practice once perfected then allows you to view all aspects in the waking state as a witness consciousness to the happenings around you, and it won't bother you due to your recognition of distancing yourself with your mind. I practiced meditation for 15 years and I couldn't understand why I was doing this day after day. It just so happened that whenever I used to get some free time, I used to set myself aside and try to meditate for about 20 minutes. It somehow stuck with me for 15 plus years, and somewhere down the 12th year, I started noticing major difference in how I started dealing with my day-to-day activities. The approach for more serious matters was more laid back, so I wasn't taking the inputs from my surroundings that seriously, but was acknowledging that those things happened. So, for example, one day my spouse called me and said that she had an accident. So, I got the phone call, I put it down, and went to the scene of the accident. I realized one important thing: our tendencies to freak out didn't make sense. For some reason, at the back of my mind, I started to see the gains trickle in. Due to this positive outcome, I was pretty excited with my new sense of being, and I pushed away my old self and invited the non confrontational mind, and it was an absolute pleasure to be around it. It still didn't mean that I got enlightened. I still have miles and miles to go before I reach the end. But for sure, I'm somewhere in the journey, and I'm sure to have dropped a lot of heavy luggage on the way to lighten my load. I will continue to travel, and each and every day lightening my load. One fine morning, I would have just offloaded all my luggage and might just be liberated. Thanks a lot for watching the video on meditation. Please do let me know any comments you might have, and please post them in the comment section. Hit the like button if you have liked the video. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks and bye.